Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to do bicycle kick in FIFA Mobile. So first of all, you will need the right player in order to do the bicycle or overhead kick. So next, you'll need either the rainbow or advanced skill move players like Treasure that have the flare trait and some players with flare traits. Okay. Now, first, you need to make the keeper charge towards you, and then once the keeper steps out towards you, just your back and dribble away from the keeper. And while dribbling, perform the rainbow skill move as soon as you perform the rainbow skill immediately and take a chip shot. Okay, so make sure to remember all of those things so you could perform bicycle kick successfully in FIFA 23. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.